Hey guys, welcome to another video. So as you guys must have seen from my previous GoPro Hero 10 video, I returned the Hero 10 because it kept on freezing and overheating, even though I factory reset the Hero 10 3 times. So I returned the Hero 10 and exchange that for a Hero9 instead. So it's not a big difference, as you can see from the features between the two. Alright, so I'm gonna unbox the Hero9 and set it up. So the GoPro Hero 9 case is similar to the Hero 10, as you can see here. And so that's the charging cable, the USB-C charging cable, battery, that's the curved adhesive mount, that's the mounting buckle, and that's the thumb screw, and lastly that's the Hero9. Just take this out. Here we go. So it says Hero9 here on the side. So on the Hero9 everything's in like gray print. On the Hero 10 it's blue. So the dimensions of both the Hero9 and Hero 10 are exactly the same. So in terms of the other button, so that's the shutter button, power button on the side, folding fingers on the bottom, the front LCD with live preview, and the Hero9 just has a 20 megapixel sensor. On the Hero 10 it's a 23.6 megapixel sensor, and you get the status light on here as well. Yep, pretty much similar except for the features and the printing. Right, I'm gonna charge the battery and I'll be right back. Right guys, I've got the battery in and I got the SanDisk Extreme Pro MicroSD card that I bought for my Hero 10 with me. So I'm just gonna put that in now. Excellent, it's in. Just gonna peel off the stickers. So in the pocket here, you get the quick start guide and some stickers similar to what you get on the Hero 10 as well, and the important product and safety instructions booklet. Alrighty, I'm gonna turn the thing on, so press the power button on the side. I'm going to select English as the language. Then it's the legal terms and conditions, agree on them. GPS on. And then next step is to connect to the Quik app. So I'm just gonna pause the video here and connect the Hero9 to the Quik app. Okay guys, I have the Quik app open, so I'm gonna tap on connect a GoPro. So it's searching for the camera now. Okay, this was very quick. The Hero 10 took, I don't know, 5 or 6 attempts to connect to the app. So I'm going to tap on connect. So the phone has come up with a notification saying, do you want to pair with the GoPro? I'm going to tap on OK. Alright, I'm on the GoPro naming screen now, so I'm gonna name the GoPro and I'll be right back. Okay, I've saved the name, it's saving the name. Okay, it says your Hero9 Black is ready. That was really quick, guys. It took less than a minute, versus the Hero 10 took more than 10 minutes to set up. Good, tap on let's go. Gonna tap on not now on the subscription page. Great, it's hang on, saying Hero9 not found, so I'm gonna tap on control your GoPro. Let's see if it connects. Yes, it did. I'm going to tap on view media to see if it can retrieve any footage that is on the MicroSD card. Great, this is really quick, guys. Okay guys, so as you saw earlier while I was on the app, it took less than a minute or 2 minutes to set up the GoPro Hero9, which is really excellent. And the camera hasn't heated up like the Hero 10. So it's pretty good. I'll just go through the settings page. Gonna change the date format to DDMMYY. Even moving through the settings, it's quite fast, much better than the Hero 10. So even moving through the different modes like time-lapse, video, photo, it's quite fast. So even if I press the record button here and stop it, doesn't even freeze. It's really good, guys. So guys, if you're in the market for a action camera, don't get the Hero10, get the Hero9. I learned my lesson getting the Hero10, and it's probably one of the worst purchases I've made in 2021. So I've returned my Hero10 and bought the Hero9, which is very good till now. So if you have any questions about the Hero9, please leave it in the comment section below. So I've bought some accessories for the Hero9, so stay tuned for those videos, and give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and see you in the next one. Thank you guys.